Yes, you heard that right. You can literally make money by simply just writing ads. All you need is either your phone, laptop, or computer in order to do this. But before we get into today's video, I want to welcome you to our channel, Cashflow Worldwide, where we show you the newest and easiest ways to make money online. Go ahead and click on the subscribe and like button, as well as the notification bell, so you are notified every time we upload a new video teaching you how to make money online. You could earn a little more or a little less than what we've earned using this strategy. It really all depends on how much you are willing to work. The main thing that you want to focus on is that this will only work if you follow every single step in this video. So make sure that you watch this all the way through to the end and to not skip any part of the video so you know exactly what you need to do in order to make money by watching ads. So for step number 1, you're going to want to go to the website called neobucks.com. Then you're going to want to create your own free account. So before I show you how to do that, I just want to say that this website is not meant for you to make thousands of dollars. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The first step in order to become financially free is to learn how to make enough money online so you can leave your job. If you're still at a job that you hate, don't worry, I was there at one point too in my life. But learning these easy money-making methods, like using a website like this, helped me make enough money to be able to quit my job. And the first step to being able to quit your job is to first learn this skill on how to make money online by using websites like this. The great thing about NeoBucks is that they will pay you in either cryptocurrency directly to your bank account, or they'll pay you via PayPal. So in order to be able to actually get paid from this website, you need to follow everything step by step throughout this entire video all the way until the end. If you skip any of these steps, you won't be able to make money using this method. So the first step is to click on Register up here on the top right corner. It will then take you to this page where you're going to fill out your information accordingly. And as you can see here up at the top, it says that NeoBucks will pay you to take surveys, view advertisements, complete quizzes, play games, and more. But you're here to make the most money you can, so I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that using this website. There are several opportunities that this website provides for you to make money, but if you're not familiar with this website at all, you won't know about the best way to make the most amount of money. We're going to share with you the secret to getting the most amount of money with this website, so stay tuned. So you'll create a username first, and this can be anything you want. It doesn't really matter. Then, you want to create your password, confirm your password, and put your email as well as the rest of the information. After you fill this all out, then you'll click on Continue. Go back up here to click on Login, and then you will log into your new account. So after you create your account and are logged in, you are now ready to make some money. So the whole point here is that you want to be able to make money fast. If you look up top here, it will show you how much money you've earned already. And as I mentioned previously, this money will be sent directly to your bank account or via cryptocurrency or straight to your PayPal account. And then right here, it'll show you the options for you to make money. You can view advertisements, take surveys, play games, and more. So some of these options can be quite boring, so I want to teach you how you can make the most amount of money possible while also enjoying the process. So the first thing to do is click on Games. You can just click on the button that says Play Now, and it'll display all these games that you can play and get paid for doing so. You can literally play any of these games as many times as you want, over and over again, and get paid every single time you do it. So instead of just downloading a game from your app store and playing it normally on your phone, you can play any one of these games and get paid to do it. Okay, so if you stick around to the very end of this video, I'll show you a bot that will do this for you because I know a lot of you are quite busy, whether it's with your job or taking care of your kids or any other type of responsibilities that you might have. This bot will blow your mind, so make sure that you continue watching this all the way to the end so you know exactly what you need to do. Okay, so that's one way you can make money on NeoBucks by playing games. The other way I want to show you how to make money on this website is to click on View Advertisements. And this is a pretty amazing option for you to make money with. So all you need to do is just click right here to open up this web page and you'll get paid for doing so. You don't have to do anything else with this advertisement that you just opened up. Then you'll just go back to Neobucks and click right here on this other advertisement and do the exact same thing. Just open it up and you get paid. You don't have to do anything else with it. That's all you're doing. You're just literally clicking on advertisements and getting paid. And you can do this as many times as you want for as long as you want. So another thing I want to mention that is very important is that you want to double check that you are putting your correct PayPal information or bank transfer information so you can actually get paid. Because if you put the incorrect information, you are not going to get paid. So I'm sure you are thinking right now that this seems cool and pretty easy and straightforward to do, but it will take a while to do this. How can you duplicate this many times over so you can get paid more and faster? How can I make it so that I earn $100 every single day by doing this strategy? How can I do this so I can leave the job I hate and be able to just make money online on my own? This is what you're going to do. Go to the website called Fiverr.com. Sign up for an account if you don't have one already. It's completely free. After you've signed up, type in the search bar, virtual assistant. Search until you can find someone to hire for around $5. Then you'll instruct them to go to neobucks.com, click on view advertisements, and to click on ads. Tell them to also click on games and to play the games and to also fill out surveys until your account reaches $50 or $100. That's literally all you need to do. Give them your account details and instruct them to not leave that site until you reach the total amount of money you want. All these freelancers on Fiverr are ready and willing to do any type of work like this that you want. These freelancers are located all over the world, whether it's in India, Africa, Thailand, or wherever. So $5 will be worth a lot more to them than it is to you. So this allows you to avoid working hard and start working smart. So if you hire someone for $5 to do this for you and wake up the next day with $100, you've made a profit of $95 by doing almost no work. So that means you can spend time with your kids, you can go outside and explore your neighborhood, you can start that hobby you always wanted to start, or you can just sit around and watch TV all day. This is how so many internet marketers are able to make money online. And you can be one too by doing the exact same thing. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you got a lot of value from today's video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and be sure to also click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a brand new video teaching you how to make money online in the easiest way possible. If you want to learn about another way to make money online, click on this video right here.